FiberChek Sidewinder gives the user a number of different options of how they can customize the workflow according to how they operate. I'll go into a couple of those examples in this video. To start off with, I'll enter into the navigation menu, and I want to navigate down to microscope settings. I'll press the action button to enter there, and this gives me a couple of different things that I can fine tune. I prefer to keep Auto Center on at all times. It's particularly ideal with the FiberChek Sidewinder, and it'll center it right to the center of the screen. But what I really wanted to show was autofocus on insert and test on autofocus. I can actually streamline this so that if I select autofocus on insert, I'll turn that on. And then I'll also turn on test on autofocus. Now, when I back out and I plug this in, it automatically senses that there's a fiber present. It'll focus it, run the analysis test, and give me the pass-fail result according to the predefined inspection criteria that I had established when I set this up. That's just another way that you can save more time and optimize the workflow when you're going through your test parameters.